So what I do is I'm going to, this is a family folder. I create a content.txt and image folder. I don't have any image yet. So if you don't have that prepare, well, I prepare my folder. Go ahead, do it quickly, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use your image and your content about me and as my content, okay? So I'm going to go to your side, go to 212. I know Barbara image is here, and I'm going to save her image because I like the image. Barbara, you don't mind I use your image, right? All right, thank you. Okay, where is that? Okay, it's in the desktop, virtual desktop. So I have to make sure, okay, that need to be accessed by virtual desktop so I can save the files in the virtual desktop, right? Okay, so what I do is download from here. Okay, to access your folder, 212, Barbara, right mouse click and save the image too. I got family folder and images Barbara, BP. Okay, BP, okay. All right, so I get one, one image, and I'm going to also copy her. Oh, miss. I'm a fantasy of computer. Okay, good. So I'm going to just copy that to be my content first. And Barbara Paris, okay? And then I have a line here. Just copy there. Okay, so next person will be here. And what I do is, don't do my way because I'm just cheating, right? Okay, so Brandy don't have things. So Hanson have an image. It's huge image. So I'm going to say, I'm not going to look at the image, but Hanson, okay, Hanson is here. So Hanson image right here, and I'm going to copy the the about me. Okay, Hanson. Okay, I'm going to say Hanson is right here. Next one. Okay, and the third one is who is that? Okay, I'm going to the next one. Jennifer. Okay, Jennifer have picture, but she don't have description, so I can't use hers yet. Okay. All right. So now is Jesslyn. Jesslyn, you don't mind I use your picture, do you? I gotta get a permission from her. Jesslyn. Okay, all right. Thank you, Jesslyn. But I'm going to save this Jesslyn, okay? Jesselyn. Okay, Jesslyn. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to have this description of her. All right, I think I got enough. Juicy. Okay. And I'm going to just use this, just demo. I don't want I have a list of the you guys all there, but I'm going to save this as a content. So I got a content of some of you, and I got a image of you guys. Okay, so I can continue to do that for 18 of them, but this is just demonstration. So I'm going to use 3 of you all. Okay. All right, so the first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this index page into my family page, and I'm going to continue working on this. But instead of using some of the code right here, I'm going to, let me see, okay, I'm still going to use a welcome to INFM 212, but you're going to use a welcome to Sandy's family side, right? And welcome to Barbara's family side. And header 1, okay, I can keep that. Okay, how about I just delete this body right here, and I got header as welcome to INFM 202, see? Okay, so I'm going to pause this because of 4 minutes. Okay. Hold on. Why this is only move? Okay, I guess I need to get out of this here. All right, so here I'm going to create a box called dev is division, like a box of division of a container. So within division tag, I get slash division. So that's the biggest box, okay? Okay, so I gave the box a name called ID equal to container. Okay. All right. So for the value of the box, name of the box, then I will have this quotation for container. Okay. So that's value for the attribute, right? The name of the box. So within the container, I'm going to create another box, which is the top graphic bar. Top bar. How about I call that top bar? Okay, so let me do this. Okay, I got three box within the container. One is top bar, and the second one is navigation. I just say now, and then the third one would be content. Okay, save. Okay, so for top top bar, what I want to have is I want to have a header like welcome to my family of INFM 212. Okay, so with the header, I want the header one like what we did before, right? So I say welcome to web development. And then in the navigation, for navigation, I want to have each of the navigation have a link to three files, which is a link to Barbara's page, to Hanson's page, and to Jesselyn's page. Okay, so that's a navigation. So what do we do for the hyperlink? Is that anchor tag? Okay, cool. So yes, okay, this close anchor tag, and then I'm going to say hyperreference equal to Barbel.html. Well, it's not there yet, but I'm going to create that, okay? And then I'm going to have the second one, third one. I do more copy paste rather than, tapping things because that will eliminate some basic error. Hanson and Jesslyn. Okay. So later on, when we create a multi-page, we have to make sure those names are exactly like what did we tap here, okay? So the very bottom here, probably I want to have the main page to have like description of the course. So I'm going to copy the course description from here. Um, oh, okay. So it's going to be here, teaching 12. Okay, so I'm going to just copy this course description here. I don't know which version is that, so but paste, copy, back to here. I'm going to use a paragraph here to describe the put here at the end. I'm going to put close paragraph. Okay, save. So with this HTML code, I should have some page up. Okay, so now if I click on F12 right here, so what I can see is this welcome to this, and where is the hyperlink? Where is our hyperlink goes? Okay, I close this. Okay, hyper reference. Okay, navigation. Close. What's the problem? Is anybody can tell me what's the problem is? The hyperlink is not there. Exactly. We know there is a hyperlink, but it's heading there. We didn't give a page. We didn't say Barbara, and then Hanson. We need a name of them, right? So Jesslyn. Did I spell your name correct, Jesslyn? I hope I did. But okay. Preview the image. Yeah, yeah. I just saved your file. I didn't, I'm going to use exactly like that. Okay, so this is our main page with the title, with the 3 links, and with the content, right? So there's nothing new so far, right? But we create some box actually for welcome as a header, and for each of the link within the navigation, and with the content right here. So I'm going to make a little bit change by using cascading style sheet. How many of you read the cascading style sheet yet? You did? Okay, good. All right. So I'm going to pause this, let it run a little bit, then maybe not. Okay. So create a cascading style sheet. Create a new file and say file, save as. For cascading style sheet, you have to say whatever name and .css. Okay. Okay, name. I'll just say style .css. Okay. All right. Then I save it. And then cascading style sheet, well, you don't have to do kind of understand too much, because later on you will read more book. And so now I want you to just follow me to kind of type this cascading style sheet here, and then we link together. Then later on you're going to get into more cascading style sheet. You will understand more and by creating them. Okay. So now I want you just follow me, because we didn't really talk about the syntax yet for cascading style sheet. So the syntax really, I'm going to repeat this, but the syntax for cascading style sheet is, first you have an element. Element could be a tag name, or the ID, or the class, but body is one of the body of the HTML, right? That's tag name. So you can give a body like, okay, background color, or if you say background color, and then colon. Colon is just like equal sign. Okay, colon, and with some number. Right now is wide, right? Is pure wide. Then if you gave 1 2 3 4 5 6 value, semicolon on the end, you save it. And then if you link that to index file, then the background should have some color. So how to link this in? Okay, the cascading style sheet, if you use as global cascading style sheet, you use as a link tag. Okay, link, and then release equal to style sheet, then type equal to, okay, I'm going to use a text slash css. Okay, text. Okay, and then hyperreference. Hyperreference is where you're going to have the file. Okay, so slash close the tag. So hyperreference really where the file is exactly. Then if you have a name of the file called style.css, then you just type in style.css, save this. Then if you preview this, something should change. You see the background color change. Although that's not very good. And if you say, oh, this is awful, This is not what I like. I can change the color of front end by just changing the color. So if you want to add something in, you say, okay, background color is that dark, then the front color, I want it